What's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you're doing well, guys. Once again, I'm talking about the Gala token. Absolutely, Gala token start pumping in. A lot of people are very happy. A lot of people message me that please make a video on Gala token prediction, guys. So in this video, I will share the latest update. Keep watching this video complete. And if you are new in my channel, make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of Gala token in the market is about 0.1222 USD dollar. 0.1222 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Gala token. And guys, now you can see here very fastly the price of Gala token moves. And I hope, guys, that it's the last of 2021 the price of Gala token will be 1 USD dollar. Guys, I'm sure about that. Anyways, guys, now if you look the latest update, so you can see here the changes occur in the Gala token is about 18.39%. 18.39% positive changes occur just in the last 24 hours. Now the changes is absolutely going very positive. Same like that you can see here if you look the market cap, fully diluted market cap, so everything are going positive, guys. But you can see here only the changes, the trading volume of Gala token are going negative 33.43%. but very soon, guys, I hope that very soon the trading volume also become positive, guys. So for those people who's those are holding Gala token, I really recommend you can see here, guys, from yesterday, from here is which I told you guys in my previous videos that now they start pumping. You can see really absolutely a huge pump taken by a Gala token. So I'm very happy to see this kind of positive changes, and I hope, guys, you are also feeling good about Gala token. Just tell me in the comment box, how do you feel today about Gala token, good or bad? Are you feeling good or bad about Gala token, guys? Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.